Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm running Kid Summer Camp this year 2025 and where I try to explain the AI ML concept in a very simply way, build the real product out of them, and it's a fun, easy to follow, or anyone can do it. You won't want to miss out today because today is not about AI ML, it's about a game building. So today I'm going to show you how you can build a tic-tac-toe game for yourself or your siblings. So, summer is already here. Your parents are thinking to take you to a nice vacation or a camping trip where you think there might not be internet working, right? So, guess what? The boredom doesn't stand a chance. Why you do not have your own game, play with your brother and sister while you are relaxing under the sun and stars, right? So, this is the reason I am building this particularly video today. So, it's a simple logic behind the Toe game. I would like to show you how you can build using ChatGPT, and there's one more website called CodePen, and I'll show you step by step how you can do it from the ChatGPT. It's very simple logic based there. You will be play with anytime, anywhere, no Wi-Fi needed because if you save them, and then you'll be learn the basic side by side. You're learning building the game, you learn the basic of CSS, Java, and HTML, which is very important to learn if you want to build a UI UX design there, right? Have fun challenging your family and friends for a long car ride or at a campsite. It will be fun. Let's dive in there, okay? So to do this thing, I'd like to say there's two tools you need. One is ChatGPT and another one is a CodePen. I'll show you one by one. So you can see that I'm using ChatGPT here. So what I give the ChatGPT command that here, give me the code of a two-player tic-tac-toe tic-tac-toe game. I need in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript because these things you need it for your game building, online game building. So I know that. So I ask them that one. You can write the same thing there. Also, I wrote that also let me know the steps how to run this one in CodePen. I know CodePen, so that's why I said like give me that. So it says absolutely. Here is the two-player tic-tac-toe game in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I'll explain step by step. So it's give me the HTML code here. So you just need the HTML code, CSS. It's already CSS there, and there's JavaScript code out there. Okay. So what I have to do is I have to open a and at the end it's written that how to run the code pen is step by step. Code pen, open the code pen, create a new pen. So it's the click create and pen. Here also written that you don't need to be an account for quick testing, so I'll be doing that, but signing in will saves your work. So basically if you want to play with your friends, family, sister, brother in your trip, so you have to do that one, the signing in. I'm not going to do that for today, but you can do it. Then copy paste the code, the HTML in HTML box, CSS in a CSS box, and JavaScript in a JavaScript box, right? Run the code. CodePen auto run your code as you type, and you immediately see your tic-tac-toe game, right? It's pretty cool. I'll show you one by one, okay? And then play when it's done kind of thing. Like if it is a draw, win, click cells as play as a two players or use the restart button to reset. Very easy. So let's go dive there. First, I open here. It should open my code pen here. I don't have to do anything. I'll just say start coding because I don't need it. So you see that HTML there, CSS is there, and JavaScript are there, JS. You can change it to some name that you can say Tic Tac Toe. Okay, next I'll go there in the chat GPT. I go and I'll just press the button here. HTML code comes here. Then as soon as I'll show you, as soon as the HTML comes, you see that tic-tac-toe reset game is coming here. The UI is started building. Then I'll put the CSS over here. That CSS comes in, then you see that it's actually customizing towards in the middle, the way CSS is written there. then it comes the JavaScript. I just copy and pasted the JavaScript over here, JS. Okay, so you can see it's over here. We can start playing. So I can play here, X. I'll do a stupid mistake here, so you know like it's working, and then I'll see that. And I put it here, that, put it here, that. See, so it says player 0 wins or O wins. It's pretty good. You can play it, but you know what? I really don't like the UI because it's not fun. It's just a dull kind of thing. So what I did, I said like, hey, ChatGPT, do one thing is here. I just type it, enhance the UI so my 4 years old can love it. Okay, it's done. Absolutely. Let's design the Tic Tac Toe colorful, playful, super appealing for 5 years old. Bright color, fun fonts, big buttons, and cute emoji status. See, they give it to you. Again, I'll just take it, the HTML here, go there, and copy, done, paste, right? Next, I go to CSS. I see it's already starting with the emojis started coming. Then I go CSS, I go there. See the color get changes. Now it's coming. Cool color. You can choose whatever color you want, whatever color you like. But for now, for the demo purpose, it's pretty good for me. And then the JavaScript comes in, right? So I put it here, JavaScript. Okay, now you can start playing. Let me check. See, it's coming. It's done. Now, now another one. Now another one. One more. Now one more. Let's play. See, cat wins. Yay, nice. I can play again. Same thing, right? See, that wins. So guys, what I am here to show you is you don't need really big coding experience to make it fun. You can have a fun with the chat GPT with other tools to know, just to have it in your hand, right? So just have fun, okay, in the summer and learn new things. Every day learn a small things. In every day learning, it will be sum up one day. It's just like a one drop by drop of a water. It makes the whole sea. So that's my idea here. So learn, keep learning, again learning. Thank you. See you in the next video.